talk about Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was born in a rich family, but she had no attraction or greed for expensive toys, dresses and gifts. She never wanted to attend social parties, which have great show off. She felt happy in serving poor and needy. She left her wealthy home and worked as a nurse for poor war victims. She treated them, cleaned the hospital, worked day to night just to make lives of wounded soldiers comfortable. She had no greed for money, wealth and fame. She satisfied by caring, wounded and suffering people. She dedicated her life to make others' life better and happier without any personal interest. I have one message for you. One should have such a kindness like Florence Nightingale. Thank you. Bye-bye. Remember that. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.